So we're gonna make an Israeli or Shirazi salad, but I'm gonna add my little twist to it and make it a pico Shirazi salad, which means I'm adding jalapeno and cilantro as part of the herb mixture, okay? Here we go. Roma tomatoes. Dice these up. So you have to have a really sharp knife, and my knife is dull. So another trick is you can turn it over onto its skin side down and cut from the flesh side, and it goes quicker. So next we're gonna chop our Persian cucumbers. Now you can either do half moons, or you can dice them. Today I'm gonna dice them. So I'm just gonna cut it across, just like this. And just do sort of uniform dicing. Beautiful. Pretty fine dice on this. Just want to bite of onion, not too much overpowering. It's going to be out throughout the salad. It's okay if it falls apart. I'm going to cut jalapeno, and I'm going to just do half of the jalapeno, and I'm going to do it with the ribs and the seeds and all of that because I don't mind a little heat. But if you mind heat, then you make sure that you cut this rib off and you omit the seeds, because that's where the heat truly lies. But I don't mind it, and so little of it that I'm using, it's going to be fine. I am adding to my Shirazi Israeli salad some cilantro. Why? Besides the fact that it tastes fantastic, and I don't want to hear from the people that say it tastes like soap. You're not my people. Because I grew up in Los Angeles, in East LA. Let me hear it from you people. Say what? And it's delicious. And salsa was as common in my house as Shirazi salad was, or any Persian dish you can think of. So this is my take, and it's delicious. And it's all about everybody has a seat at my table and global fusion, and you're gonna love it. Okay, so now that my salad is done, I'm going to make the dressing right in the same bowl. So I'm going to add some lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice from my tree. Look how big he is. And then some lime juice because it's pico. And olive oil and salt and pepper. And it's kosher salt, by the way. Coarse salt is what you want. Stir all of this goodness together. And the best part is that juice at the bottom. My brother and I used to fight over drinking that salad dressing at the bottom of the bowl at the end of dinner growing up. It's just too good. Grab in there with my fingers, get a little bit of each bite. Give it a taste. So good. Perfect. Doesn't need anything else.